What's up, guys? Welcome back to Revline 89. So today we have a different style video. You guys aren't familiar with this style, so for this video, this is my reviewing style that I do. So we have a update on the 4.0 from LMR. Big shout out to LMR Racing, late model. I meant LMR late model restoration. So, if you guys did not see the video, then you might have missed our Cobra flange that we have. This is needed. I'm going to talk quickly on this because I've already did a video, so go check back. It was probably the last video. But this is needed when you want to do an 8.8 rear end swap in your V6 4.0 Mustang. You need this. I don't know, maybe the other V6 Mustangs besides the S197, maybe you need that as well. So, I am proud to present, again, shout out to LMR. This is an this is a 410 8.8 installation kit from LMR. So, this has everything you need, all the updated parts and components to do an 8.8 rear end swap. So that means with this flange, with this Cobra flange and this kit, we will have new 410 gears, and all we need is an 8.8 rear end. That's it. We just need an 8.8 rear end and this kit, and we're good to go. So, alright, what else do they supply? So you got all your other, I'm not familiar with rear ends and gearing. I just know that 410 gears are the gears I want to go with the build. 373 gears are what most people go. So then we also got our Royal Purple Max gear. This is gear oil that is needed. So with LMR, they give the full kit. This is, oh, it looks like another one. So they gave two. There's supposed to be friction oil, I believe, in here. Oh, there it is. Okay. It was hiding. So, additive friction modifier. You need to add this with the oil. This is a must. We're going to put that in that box. So let's see what else we got here. And we're actually going to put, with this box, you know, let's go, oh no, let's keep this, we want to keep that in there. Let's just see if the box will fit by setting in here, because I'd like to keep everything all together. It doesn't quite fit. Well, we can have it setting there. And last but not least, the heavy part component, which we're going to have to make some room here so we can set it. We'll just use this box down here so you guys see this. So we got the oils and everything. We'll go ahead and put this back. But yeah, this is the 8.8 rear end kit with 410 gears. I believe you can select the kit with other gear ratio. Alright, so next up, the 410 gears by 4 Performance. Big shout out to 4 Performance. They have, that's what the Cobra flange is. It's a reproduction by 4 Performance. Big shout out to them. Big shout out to LMR. Without them, this video wouldn't be possible. So let's see what we get this here. Alright, so we got some installation instructions and going over some stuff, so we'll keep that. Ta-da! Check it out, guys. So, 410 gears. Whew, that is some heavy duty. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Now, is there anything underneath? I think we got a sticker under here. I don't know if there's anything else. I don't feel anything else. So, that is it. That is the 410 gear kit. And like I said, all we need now is an 8.8 rear end. Now, you guys can pick up them used. Any 05 to 09 Mustang 8.8 rear end will work out of a GT. It'll work completely fine. You just need to have the Cobra flange if you have a 4.0 V6 for it to bolt up. That's it. All you need is the flange. That's it. You don't need the gearing kit. You don't need any of this stuff here unless you want to swap out new gears, or if you want to basically update from the old gears. You could buy a 8.8 rear end that already has whatever gears that are in it, and then use the Cobra flange and bolt it right up to your Mustang and you're good to go. But if you want new gears, either higher or lower, or if you just want to swap out the old gears that were in the 8.8, then you would want a kit like this. And a kit like this, it's not bad. It's not going to break you guys. So that is the future update. Now, we would like to put in a brand new 8.8 rear end. That would be the goal, but to find a sponsor for that, well, 8.8 rear ends brand new are pretty high up there, but we'll see what happens in time. This is just a future update. This isn't going to be something that's going to be happening, you know, right away. This is going to take a little time for us to do, because we have other things coming that you guys need to subscribe. You have to subscribe. You guys are not going to want to miss what's coming. But yeah, so yeah, that's all I can say is you guys are not going to want to miss what's coming, so subscribe. And this will be coming, 8.8 rear end swap will be coming in the future. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe. You guys don't understand how important it means to me if you guys subscribe. Thank you, guys. Have a blessed day.